Describe a process of how to make a network cable. First, it has to be selected the necessary length of the cable. Second, the outer cover of the cable must be removed. After that, inspect the cables that are in good condition. Next, the pairs and each cable must be separated. Once the cables are separated, they have to be placed in the wiring specification. Put the wire in the following order from left to right: orange, white, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Then the wire have to be cut from the top. Next, keep the cables flat and in other as you push them off the RJ45 connector with the flat surface of the plunger up top. After that, it has to be placed the cable connector on the tong. Repeat the above step with the other end of the cable. Try the cable to make sure it works in the field.